how to enable anti-aliasing in Honor of Kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable this feature. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right top, there's the settings option. Simply tap on settings. Here, we're in this settings interface. Now on the left hand side, simply tap on graphics. So this is the graphic settings where you can customize different things. Now on the fourth option, there's anti-aliasing. So simply tap on it to enable it. So what does this feature do? So if you tap on this here, it will show you what it does. So it is a type of 3D effects that it gives while playing, but make sure that you have a high-end mobile because this will create a lot of heating in your mobile. But if you have a strong mobile, you can easily equip it and have a full and better experience of the game. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.